It's gonna be one of those days. Left Steven's house, drove about 5 miles. Car died. It was starting to like die, and then it eventually died. And then I restarted it, hit the gas pedal, died again. Restarted it, hit the gas pedal, died again. And then I was sitting on the edge of traffic by the on-ramp. And then after that, I got it to go like 3 feet, and then I coasted down under this bridge overpass. Luckily, I wasn't sitting in the middle of the on-ramp lane to the highway. Otherwise, I would have had to push it out of the way, which I didn't want to do. This cop just pulled up, and so now they're just making sure I'm not going to get hit by a car. So W cop. So they're going to wait here for about 10 minutes until my tow truck gets here. So that's going to be about, I don't know, $250 or something like that, plus tax probably. So like $300. Just got everything fixed on this car, and now it's broken again. So I'm really done with this car, but I really don't want to buy another car, but I really don't want to drive this car. So I don't know. I'm kind of in a pickle, but I just had to buy AAA. So I'll have like 3 more tows after this. So it won't be as bad if I break down the next time. But basically, by the time, if I keep driving this car, everything's going to be replaced on it. So it's going to be like a brand new car. It's just going to be really expensive. Brand new car for being 33 years old. So that's where we're at right now. Just trying to get home. I'm going to get towed to my friend's house. They're going to fix it whenever they get around to it. So I'll probably have to take the Corvette to work tomorrow, or borrow someone's car. I don't know. My mom's car is gone, so I can't borrow her car because it's in the shop getting fixed. She dropped a ladder on it. So anyways, just chilling here waiting for the tow truck. Interesting turn of events for the day. Yeah, so that's about it. Gonna go on a phone call later with Gennard Tools, so see how that goes. I'm gonna hop on that with Steven because we had our own separate meetings, but then my car died. I don't think I'm gonna make the 1 p.m. meeting anymore, as it's like 11 or 12 right now. So that's the current update. Post NECA day 1. So back to work tomorrow in the morning. Thank God I did not try to drive home last night, because I would have been screwed in the middle of the night at like 2-3 a.m. So yeah, really happy I did not do that. Got some sleep. I got like 4 hours of sleep, and then I feel wide awake now. So just waiting for the tow truck. So anyways, that's the quick update. My life in a nutshell at the moment, on this day of Tuesday, October the 3rd. That'll focus. So anyways, that's where we're at. And yeah, just out here chilling for the last hour or so, hour and a half. So yeah, waiting on the tow, and have my mom come pick me up from my friend's house, and then go home. And like I said, I'll probably take the Corvette to work tomorrow, which I don't want to do because I'm working in the ghetto, and it's a high volume theft area where windows get broken like all the time. So kind of scared, but we'll see how it goes. So unless this car can get magically fixed tonight with all the parts, and which that's already not gonna happen. So anyways, I've been talking so much. Yeah, I'll just give you guys an update here in a sec, next chance I get. So I was gonna go sign up for the AAA when I got home, because I was like, something's about to go wrong with this car. Unfortunately, it had problems before I could make it home. So yeah, if you think your car has problems or potentially could have any problems, if it's old, just get AAA. It's gonna be like $100 or $125. So you'll be ready for it to break down if it does, and not have to waste like 2 or 3 times that amount of money when it does break down and you're under the break-in period of the AAA or whatever. So, oh, C8 Corvette right behind us coming up. So anyways, learn from my mistakes, just get the AAA. But unfortunately, like, I didn't really have a big chance to transfer AAA onto this car because I switched job sites like the last 3 days or whatever, so I was kind of unprepared. But just leave your AAA on. It's like $100. It's not a big deal. Here comes the Corvette. Sheesh. So anyways, yeah, just get your AAA, folks. Don't waste your time without it. So, public service announcement. Getting the exclusive content for you guys. Let's go, baby. Exclusive content. All right, sitting inside the tow truck. Here we go. Here's my girl. She's coming up fast. Got the police escort. That's awesome. Appreciate that, girl. But yeah, here we go. About ready to head out. All right, old reliable here. Got dropped off. Gonna drive it down into the driveway. All right, guys, 12:32 noon. The next day, October 3rd, Tuesday. Made it home from NECA. I think I might have to drive the beater tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll see if my car will get fixed tonight. I really doubt it, but if it's something simple, I can go pick it up and then I can take it to work. But in the meantime, I might have to take the beater. Got all my tools here. I'll have to load that back up. Suitcase ready to go. So, oh wait, I didn't want to do that. I'm gonna have to move the car over because my roommate's gonna be parking there. So I'm gonna move this over. Then if I get my car back tonight, if it gets fixed, I'll park it outside and then rearrange another day tomorrow, move the Corvette back over. So I'm gonna do that real quick, start this baby up, and then yeah, we'll just wait for the news. All right, I haven't started this car in like 2 weeks since I started driving my old car again, so this might be the loudest cold start we ever got. Hey, let's go. She's chooching, baby, she's chooching. All right, let's whip it, y'all. I don't even remember what it feels like to drive this car anymore because it's been so long. And I miss her so much. I want to drive her to work every day, but life changes, job sites change. But I want to drive it, but not if it's going to be in the ghetto and it has 90% chance of getting broken into every day. So that's where we're at right now. All right, mission success. Keep you guys posted on what's next. All right, so backing up the story a little bit, got the car unloaded off of the tow truck. That guy did that. But then started the car up and then it drove perfectly fine, go figure, down the road into our friend's driveway who's looking at it to fix it. So, and then he drove it around a bunch and there's no problems, go figure. But huge shout out to my parents for picking me up and helping me out through this situation. Got my suitcase and stuff I'm gonna try to unpack a little bit. Still haven't really unpacked from my last road trip from a month ago, so see what we can do. Get my Klein tools out, kind of set those in the studio, kind of want to get that going. Hang up my new Klein signs, so thanks Donnie for that, I appreciate that. But anyways, just at home, like I said, got the meeting with John R. Tools later. Then I have to go to a chiropractor appointment later, so yeah, good thing I took the day off. All right, guys, looks like the Camry is not coming home tonight, so got the Corvette loaded up. Hopefully no one smashes my window on Ghetto Alley. Got my hoodie, my hard hat, safety vest, tools. My muddy boots are inside on the weather mats. Wish me luck, y'all. That's about all I got for you guys. I did get my custom plates, so those are coming in the mail. I got the temporary tags, so maybe I'll throw those on tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get my other car back tomorrow. And hopefully it's all good. I think they found out the problem. The catalytic converters were plugged up or something, so the car would randomly shut off, so hopefully that's actually the problem. I don't think it had anything to do with the fuel, so fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that this is it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the night. Hopefully you enjoyed this post-NECA depression, and if you have any as well, hopefully this helped you out. You're not alone. Stay strong.